press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, under the chapter Triangles, in the previous class we discussed and recalled some of the topics you have learnt in your previous classes. So, parts or elements of a triangle and classification of triangles based on angles and based on sides. So, these were the main topics which we have revised. So, as you know, a triangle will have 6 elements. So, 3 angles and 3 sides. They are known as the parts or elements of a triangle. So, triangles are classified based on the angle, size of the angles. So, that is acute angle, right angle, or a triangle will be or a obtuse angle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle or obtuse angled triangle. And based on the length of sides, either it is a scalene triangle where all the 3 sides will have different length, they are not equal. So, an isosceles triangle is one wherein 2 sides are equal, and an equilateral triangle is one where all the 3 sides are equal. Say if a triangle is having 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, all the 3 sides AB, BC and CA same length. So, we can say it is a equilateral triangle. So, now, another 2-3 topics we have to recall. Angle sum property. Of course, these things you know, the sum of the 3 angles in a triangle will be 180 degree. So, that property is known as the angle sum property. So, under angle sum property, so I will not take much time for this. Angle sum property. So, if a triangle is there, say A, B, C, so then angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. So, irrespective of the type of triangle, it may be a right angle, it may be a obtuse angle, or it may be a acute angle triangle. So, this property holds good. The sum of 3 angles will be 180 degree. So, this is known as angle sum property. So, now the next one is exterior angle property of a triangle. So, this under lines and angles chapter also we have discussed this at a length. So, anyway, I will tell you once again. Exterior angle property of a triangle. In any triangle, if one of the side is extended, say this is a triangle, say PQR. PQR is a triangle. So, QR side is there. Suppose if I extend this QR line up to certain length to get another point, say let us say S. Now, see earlier there were 3 angles. So, angle P, angle Q and angle R. All these 3 are interior angles inside the triangle. So, here we have formed one more triangle, you can see. This is angle PRS. Angle PRS. This angle is known as exterior angle. Exterior angle. So, exterior angle of a triangle. So, in any triangle, so there may be other exterior angles also like this. So, you can observe this. If I extend this, say P or P this way, or P this way, if you extend this, you will have one more exterior angle here. So this is RST, let us say. So here QPT, this is another exterior angle. So here if I extend PQ, you will get one more exterior angle. So if you extend this, you will get one more exterior angle. So this is RQ, say let us say this is U. So therefore, in this diagram, PRS, angle PRS, comma, you can see here TPQ, this angle TPQ, and so you can call this as RQU or SQU. So both are same. You can take reference from here or from here. RQU, so and RQU, so these are exterior angles, so exterior angles. So how we get it? If we extend any one side of a triangle, then an external angle is created. So that is known as exterior angle. So we have in this diagram we have 1, 2, 3 exterior angles. So not only these things, if I extend this PR in this direction, like this, we will get one more exterior angle here. So like this, you can see this is PQR, this is PQR. So if the PR is extended like this, we will get one more exterior angle this way. So likewise, we will get at least 6 exterior angles in the triangle. So here it is RP is extended and we got a exterior angle here. In this case, QR is extended. In this case, PR is extended. So therefore, we got a exterior angle. And one more important thing is, for any exterior angle, the value will be equal to the sum of the interior opposite. For this PRS, interior is this one, interior opposite means these two angles. So this is, so I will write, say, I will call this as 1, this as 1, this as 2, this as 3. Now you observe, for this angle PRS, the interior opposite angles are 1 and 2. The sum of 1 and 2 will be equal to the exterior angle PRS. We have that relation. Similarly, the TPQ, this exterior angle TPQ. So if I call this as a TPQ exterior angle, this value will be equal to interior opposite. Interior is 1, interior opposite means 2 and 3. So therefore, this TPQ will be 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So similarly, if I take up RQU as exterior angle, for this interior opposite are 1 and 3. So therefore, sum of 1 and 3 will be equal to RQU. So therefore, we have this relation. I will write above. So this is regarding exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of triangle. So with this, we have one more important. Exterior angle will be equal to exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite opposite angles, interior opposite angles. So from figure you can see PRS will be equal to, PRS is the exterior angle, so interior opposite 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2. Now another exterior angle TPQ, so TPQ will be equal to, this is exterior angle TPQ outside the triangle, the angle is outside the triangle, it is obtained by extending RP up to T. So this is exterior angle, so this is adjacent angle to this, then leaving this, these 2 plus 3, so 2 interior opposite, 2 plus 3. Now for this angle RQU, so its adjacent angle is 2, you leave this interior opposite angles 1 plus 3, angle 1 plus 3. So these relations hold good in any classification of triangle. I mean to say, it may be a scalene triangle, it may be isosceles triangle, or it may be equilateral triangle. And also by angle classification, there are 3 varieties of triangle, that is acute, obtuse and right angle triangle. So in all those triangles, this property holds good. Now, so another very important and famous theorem, this you have learned anyway, I am just reminding you this Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem. So here I am not going to prove or elaborate it, just so I will show you. If in a right angle triangle, remember Pythagoras theorem is applicable to only right angle triangles. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC, let us say ABC, if angle ABC equals 90 degree, so right angle triangle, then so I will write a sketch so that you can understand this. Say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is 90 degree. So this square marking indicates 90 degree. Remember this. It is geometrical representation. Triangle ABC, and with this square representation of angle, for all of the other angles we show a curved line. It is a right angle triangle. So then here AC is this slant one, it is known as the hypotenuse, and for this angle this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. So for this angle C, this is the opposite and this is adjacent. So then AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Sum of the squares of the other two sides. AB is one side, BC is another side, AC is the hypotenuse. So this relation here, very important thing is Pythagoras theorem is applicable to only right angle triangles. So, not for other triangles. So, if we wanted to apply this for other triangles, we convert any triangle into two right angle triangles, then we apply this, that you will learn later. So, this is. Now, I will come to the last point under revision, some key important points that you must remember before we proceed into the topics covered to be covered in class 9 syllabus this year. So, some 3 important points I will tell you. You remember, any triangle, angle sum property, you know, it is sum is 180 degree, 180 degree. So, therefore, if one angle is 90 degree, if one angle is 90 degree, the sum of the other two angles must be equal to, total of other two angles must be equal to 90 degree. So, therefore, in any triangle, two right angles cannot be there, two right angles cannot be there, because if two angles become 90 plus 90, when there is no scope for the third angle. So, therefore, remember that in any triangle there can be only one right angle. So, that is one important point. So, important points. So, first one, in any triangle, there cannot be more than one right angle, more than one right angle. So, this is one thing. Now, in the similar way, see, for this, if you want to understand, let us draw a right angle triangle. Say this is a right angle triangle. So, therefore, this is 90 degree. I will call this as ABC. When this is 90 degree, the total must be 180, means another 90 should be shared by these two angles. So, that is why there cannot be two right angles. So, now second one, similarly, see, in any triangle, obtuse angle means more than 90 and less than 180 degree. So, in that case also only one obtuse angle can be there in any triangle. So, a triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. So, these things you have to draw some sketches and understand. See, observe, obtuse angle is one which is having, say, more than 90 degree. Let us say this is obtuse angle. This is one obtuse angle. I will call this as point B. BC is the base, and I will join this. So, you can see this is one obtuse angle, say 150 degree, say 130 degree. 130 degree is an obtuse angle. So, another obtuse angle cannot be there, because if you take up two obtuse angles, say 91 degree is also an obtuse angle, 91 plus 91, 182, it becomes Angle sum property. Angle sum property, see the sum of three angles cannot be more than 180 degree. It will be always 180 degree. Suppose if one angle is obtuse, more than 90, the other two angles must share the remaining value in 180. So, because see when one angle is 130 means, so another how many value is remaining? 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. So, 50 degree should be shared by the other two angles. So, there cannot be another obtuse angle in a triangle. So, that is the meaning. So, a triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle. But a triangle can have three acute angles. So, because if I say all the three angles are 60 degree, so then 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180 degree. So, all three angles are acute angles. So, it is not necessarily 60, 60, 60. One may be 60, so another may be 40. So, total becomes 100. So, the third one may be 80. It is also acute angle. So, 60, 40, 80. 60, 40, 80. So, that is in any triangle there may be three acute angles. There may be three acute angles. So, here we have two acute angles. There may be three acute angles also in a triangle. So, if a triangle is having three acute angles, then it cannot be a right angle triangle and it cannot be a obtuse angle triangle. So, these are the basics. So, now you observe this, in a right angle triangle, the sum of the other two acute angles must always be equal to 90 degree, because total must be equal to 180. This is already 90. So, out of 180, so if you minus 90, we are left with another 90. So, minus 90, we are left with 90. So, therefore, these two angles must be equal to 180. So, therefore, we can say in any right angle triangle, the sum of the other two acute angles other than this right angle must be equal to 90 degree. So, that is the third important point you should remember. In any right angle triangle, the sum of two acute angles Remember, in any right angle triangle, there will always be two acute angles. So, the sum of two acute angles will be 90 degree. So, there will be two acute angles and their total will be 90 degree. I hope you remember all these things so that you can easily understand the next topic. Now we will move on to our next topic, criteria for congruence of triangles. It is there in your current year syllabus. Now, we are moving to the section 7.2 topic in your textbook. section 7.2. Congruence of triangles. Dear students, so I wanted to tell you one advice, especially in mathematics. For that matter, in any, even in physics, you should not hurry up to solve the problems without understanding the basic concepts. If you understand the basic concepts of any topic, then the solving of problems will be easy. So therefore, if you keep on solving so many problems without concrete knowledge of the basics in your mind, so you will not be able to answer if a new question comes to you in the examination. If you thoroughly understand the basic concepts, then definitely any type of question if they ask in the examination, you will be able to face it correctly and analyze it correctly and answer it correctly. So therefore, see, with that intention only, I am taking up so much of time in revising your previous class topics. Do not neglect this as if it is a revision. So these are the basics. If you know these basics, then you will understand. Especially in the subject or branch of mathematics like geometry, this is much more important. So you have to have the thorough knowledge of each and every terminology. So what is the point, what is the line, what is the triangle, so what is interior and what is exterior region of a triangle, so what is interior angle and exterior angle in case of two parallel lines and a transversal, what is a transversal, all these things. As soon as you heard those new words, you must be able to see those pictures. If I say a two parallel lines and a transversal, it should come to your mind. So there are two lines, either horizontal or vertical, and another line cutting across those two lines. So those pictures and 8 angles formed there. An exterior angle in a triangle is there and one side is extended, we are going to get an exterior angle. Those pictures should have in your mind. So then only you can easily understand the topics. So now I will take up this topic. This is in your class 9 syllabus, congruence of triangles. So before we understand the word congruence, so I will tell you two words, similar and congruent. Similar and congruent. So you understand the difference. If you understand the difference between these two words, then it is easy for you to understand the basic concepts. See, here we say in Kannada, similar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಲಿಕೆ means it looks like. So for congruence we say sarvasama. So what is this? I will tell you. these similar triangles you have learnt in your previous classes, but congruent, I don't know whether you have studied a bit of it or not, but I will try to tell you what it is exactly. So, you look at these two figures. See what you say if you meet any brother of your friend in the school premises along with your friend one fine morning, if his brother also came to class. So what do you say? Looking at his face, you will say, your brother looks almost like you. So facial observation, physic, whatever it is. So that is known as ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is similarity. So if I draw these two figures, see this is a triangle. Observe this. This is a triangle. So I will call this as, for example, figure 1, just for convenience. So now I will draw another figure. So this is also a right angle triangle, you can see. So the another triangle, if I write, say 3. So let us discuss about these things. So now if I write another triangle, let us say this is fourth one. See, looking at these diagrams, you can easily say these are all 1, 2, 3. So these are, say this, if I write this is right angle triangle. So these two are right angle triangle. They looks almost similar, but you cannot say these two are similar. It is all about appearance. ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So it is what is known as similarity. So exactly what is similarity? Suppose if this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and one angle is 90 degree. If I have another triangle with, let us say this one. So say this is 6, 8 and 10. Observe these things. So I will call this figure 5. Now if you compare figure 1 and 5, figure 1, this is figure 1 and figure 5. If you compare figure 5, what you can see is these two are right angles and the sum of these two must be 90 degree. Here also sum of these two are 90 degree. Here if you observe, the base is 3 centimeter, here it is 6 centimeter, and hypotenuse is 5 here, it is 10 here, it is 4 here, it is 8 here. So I mean to say the sides are proportional. So this side divided by this side is 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, 5 by 10 is 1 by 2, 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. So we say the corresponding sides are proportional. And the angles are congruent, we say. Angles, this angle will be equal to this angle. So I will write here, say A, B, C. So if I write it as C, D, E, F, this is only for explanation purpose. So then angle B will be equal to angle E, these two are 90 degree, angle A will be equal to angle D, angle C will be equal to angle F. So here these two triangles, though they look like similar, ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ similarity ಇದೆ, ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. What is the difference? There is one difference. difference is in size. Difference is in size. Otherwise, they are almost similar. So, shape and ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Shape and size. Shape and size. Shape and size. So, if the shape is similar and if there is a difference in size, so shape is similar in this case. So, shape is similar means, so corresponding angles, corresponding we say, corresponding means this B angle is correspond to E angle and A is corresponds to vertex D vertex here, C corresponds to F. So, the corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles and the corresponding sides are proportional. So, that means this length divided by this length is same as the base length divided by base length, hypotenuse length divided by hypotenuse length. So, we say the angles are congruent. So, 1 to 1 they are equal, angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal and the sides are proportional, we say, sides are proportional. So, the shape is same in any two triangles. If the shape is same, so these two are having same shape. So, they will get the same shape. If the corresponding angles are equal, then they will get same shape. But the size of the sides are different. Size is different, but they are proportional. Even though they are different, that means here it is 4, it becomes 8, 3 becomes 6, 5 becomes 10. So, there is proportionately there is increase in size. Proportionately there is increase in size. So, in such cases, so we say they have same shape and the sides we say are proportional. Proportional. So, if such a condition exists, so what condition? If the shape is same, the sides are proportional, then we say these two triangles are similar triangles, we say similar triangles. So, in such case I will write here, I write this as ABC and this is PQR, let us say. So, in this situation we say ABC, triangle ABC we write, triangle ABC is similar to, we write it like this. This is a mathematical notation of similar. Some horizontal S type, some slant S type we write, similar to triangle PQR, triangle PQR. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So, this statement, mathematical statement, gives the idea that the corresponding angles, corresponding means angle A is equal to angle B, angle A, this one is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB divided by PQ, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR, AC divided by PR. So, this simple statement gives the idea that the triangles are similar. Similar means we have to have two important things. The corresponding angles are equal and the sides are proportional. Sides are proportional and it is written like this and read as, and it is read as, ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದಾಗ triangle ABCಯು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದರ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವೆ, ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುರೂಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪದವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಗೆ ಅನುರೂಪವಾದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು, ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಗೆ ಪಿ ಯು ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಕೋನ ಎಗೆ ಕೋನ ಪಿ, ಕೋನ ಬಿಗೆ ಕೋನ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಕೋನ ಸಿಗೆ ಕೋನ ಆರ್. ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಅನುರೂಪ ಬಾಹುಗಳ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್, and we write it as ABC, and if you write this, we read it like this: triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So if I write like this, it is understood that angle A equals angle P. Remember the corresponding angle, first letter, second letter, third letter, that is known as corresponding approach. So angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be equal to angle R. So I will give a brief note of this once again. You can note it down now. This is all about similarity of triangles. Congruence I will explain next to it. Similar triangles, you note down under that. So under the main heading congruence of triangles, first we are studying similar triangles. I will give some key points. Similar triangles. Similar triangle. First you understand this, then only you will understand what is congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if the corresponding angles or congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. See, we can have like this. Two triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. If the only difference is size, if the only size, so in shape they are equal. Two similar triangles. Will have same shape. This is important, same shape. But can have different size. So shape will be same, size may differ. So that is the important point. So here similar triangles, third point, similar triangles. Two similar triangles, you can say. Two similar triangles are written as, say, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So we can write the sketch. This is, say, 3, 4 and 5 centimeters. This is ABC. So you write another little big triangle, and this is 6, this is 8, this is 10, PQR. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So you can see the shape is same, the size is different. So here angle A will be corresponding ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಗೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಗೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So this is known as similarity of triangles. So congruent triangles I will take up in the next class. So thank you all.